this is Diana from Links. Welcome to my channel. Playing golf is psychologically demanding for many golf players in the US, where in recent years, more younger individuals has been joining this golf place. While carrying an 18-hole golf bag can still be a real task, so electric golf cart will be a beneficial and financial investment, especially for this single-rider electric golf cart. So, why this motorcycle electric golf cart making waves on golf clubs? Golf is a fashion game, but adapting of this electric golf scooter is stylish. However, for this single-rider fat tire electric golf cart, we aim to accelerate the game, attracting more younger people to the court, as well as making a lot more fun. So today, here we have our single-rider electric golf cart launched, and I would like to introduce to you more details about this scooter. So come closer and let me show you more details from the handlebar. Let's check the left and right first. This scooter is more simple than other models. So on the left hand side, we only have the home bar here, so that you can make sure the safety when you are enjoy the riding fun in the golf court. And let's come to the right handlebar. Only the keys and the keyholes and a small display here to show you the speed, what speed you are in during your riding. Also the throttle to control the speed. Let's come down to check the tires. For the front tire, for this model, we use the 16-inch tire, and you could see the disc and the caliper here. So we use the hydraulic disc brake system, and you can see the twin shock here. And for the rear tire, we use a 10-inch or 12-inch size tire, and for the optional choice. Hub motor is installed in the rear tire. For this model, we use a 2000 watt Chunshun hub motor, so the max speed is up to 20 miles per hour for this model. So that makes sure you can enjoy your golf fun as well as ensure the safety of riding. The battery is under the seat. Let me show you here. The battery is under the seat. We use a 60-volt 25 amp batteries. It takes you to around 40 to 50 miles depending on the weight and the terrain. So when you are in a golf cart, you need to measure the range and make sure to return back before you run out of the battery. What if you want to charge it? You just need to unplug the battery here and take it out. You could charge indoors. We use a 5 amp charger, so it normally takes about 5 to 6 hours to charge it for it's completely empty. Here's the battery. Here's a bigger size foldable foot patch to offer you a better riding experience. And here we got our specially designed bigger size kickstand. Make sure it will not sunk into the grass and for safety parking. Apart from this, there are also some accessories for the golf bags, and this is the golf bag holders. Also, at the rail, here's the carrier rack with our cooler box, and you can see here's the mounted box can hold your scorecards, balls, keys, and some other small things needed for your golf fun. Nothing makes us a better golfer than having more time on practicing. With this fat tire, single-rider electric golf cart, you could speed up your run for a day. As each golfer can go to their balls directly, playing time is greatly reduced and allows you to get more runs in a day. Set your course apart by offering this single-rider option with our fat tire electric golf scooter. This extremely fun and easy to ride scooter will not only attract more golfers to your court, but also bring them back to a home more often. Let me know if you like this electric golf cart or not. Subscribe to see more videos like this. If you want to get more detailed information, you could visit our website here or call us, email us without hesitation. This is all about today's introduction. Let's see you next time. Bye. Hey there! Today's video is an introduction of the assembly steps for the M6G single rider electric golf scooter. Step 1. Install the handlebars. Be sure to install the handlebar first, then the front tire. After aligning the handlebars, tighten the screws with Allen keys from our package. Step 2. Install the front wheel. Remove the center pole first. Then align the front wheel with the disc brake. Insert the center pole and tighten the screws. Step 3. Install the fenders. Remove the screws on the left and right sides of the front fork. Align the holes and install the fenders, tighten the screws. Step 4. Install the feet. After removing the foot support screw, align the foot support with the hole and tighten the installation. Step 5. Install the shelves. After removing the shelf mounting screws, align the holes to install and tighten the screws. After removing the screws on the iron frame, align the holes to install and tighten the screws.
Firstly, we hang the wheels in the air to help them run free. Then power on and get the speed to 6 km per hour. Hold on the speed 6 km per hour for about 30 seconds. And now the display automatically switches kilometers per hour to miles per hour. Thank you for watching.